Hi, this is Jay Jenkins of Pearson Education, and in this video we're going to go over how you can upgrade your access from within your Blackboard integrated course. So when you log into your Blackboard institutional program, you should see your courses, and if you click on your course and get into your course, there may be one or two ways for you to connect to your mastering or MyLab course links. Your instructor may have created course links right in the content area or on the navigational bar over here on the left, and if you click on those, you should see links like this to your MyLab or mastering page. And if you click any of those links after your course has expired, you will see the ability to upgrade your expired temp access to full access. And you can do that through the access code. So if you've purchased your access code from the bookstore or gotten one online, or you can purchase direct at this time using your credit card or PayPal. Now there may be another way for you to do this, so let's go back to the course. Maybe you don't have a link to the resource area over here, and these links aren't here. The other way for you as a student may be to go through the tools area of your course. So if you click on the navigation bar and it says tools, you'll then come over to, you look for your Pearson MyLab and Mastering link right here, and if you click on that, these same options should be available. There'll be links to the different areas of the course, and when you click on any of them, again, you will be asked for either an access code or to purchase directly online. Once you complete this process, whether it's through the access code or through the purchasing, you will have full access to your course once again, including whatever you purchase. If you purchase the e-text version, you'll get access to the e-text. All of the work that you've done and all of the grades you've put in so far will all be there intact, waiting for you to continue to complete the course. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a great day.